control. Now this was at 14:52 or UK time 2:52. This is 9:52 Eastern. So what we're looking for now, and this is basically my frame for entering trades. So that day my execution was at this candle here, right? So my execution was here just after we broke below this candle here. There was my execution. So my execution doesn't come when we break below the zone, right? This is one of the key differences with how most traders trade. If you want a safe entry, trade after the retest. And so I'm going to break down what a retest is. So what we had over here, breaking it down candle by candle, we broke below our key level. So our key level is just this gray box over here. We broke below our key level. So I'm just going to draw a line underneath this candle, just like this. And so the reason I do this is because I have a basic theory that I never trade the break, only the retest. So when the market breaks lower and creates the low below the zone, I want to see the market's head tap back into our zone, and I'm looking to see how the market behaves inside the zone. So if we don't get to our zone, I don't consider it a retest, I won't enter. I want to see a break, then I'm looking for that retest, and I have to see the market go back into the zone, and I want to analyze the retest, and then I would look to go short, right? So I'd only look to go short after the retest. So my short isn't here, right? Or here or anywhere. My short is actually here, right? After we retest the zone. So I want to see, again, I'm going to have my stop loss somewhere above these wicks, and I'm just going to target the next local zone, which is down here, right? But let's now break down the retest. So the retest is going to be these sort of few candles over here, right? So we have break, we have retest, and I would look to enter here, right? So the next question is, what was going on here, right? What was going on at the retest? So we want to know what was going on here. So this is between 9:53 and 9:56 Eastern. 9:53 to 9:56, what is going on? Now that we can see a lot more clearly via the footprint charts. Now the footprint charts basically show you energy or activity. Think of it as activity. Now when we see a lot of blue inside of these candles here, what does that mean? So 1, 2, 3, and then we break below that red line that I drew, right? The break line here, right? 1, 2, 3. So just going to draw an even clearer sort of image of this. So we break below the zone. Over here we have one candle and then two candles. Now this second candle gets us